Pop quiz. A nurse is caring for a client with a sodium level of 120. The client's confused and restless. Which intervention should the nurse implement first? 1. Administer IV infusion of 3% saline solution. 2. Restrict oral fluids. 3. Administer a loop diuretic. 4. Place the client in Trendelenburg position. And guys, the first thing you're going to do is 1. Administer IV infusion of 3% saline solution. So what's going on? Look at the patient's sodium level. It's 120. Your normal sodium is supposed to be 135 to 145. So this patient is hyponatremic, and that's why that patient is confused and restless. So the first thing we're going to try to do is replace that. So we're going to give them a hypertonic solution, get that sodium level up. And then after that, after we've corrected the issue, we're going to go ahead and follow up. Most likely we'd expect the healthcare provider to order restricted fluids, because what? We don't want that sodium that we just gave the patient to get diluted by a whole bunch of fluids. So you're going to do number 1 first. Remember, guys, whenever you're being questioned about a priority, you can only choose one thing to do for your patient. Very often, you may have 2, even 3 really good answers, 3 things that you absolutely would do for your patient. You have to say to yourself, out of these options, if I can only do one, which one would it be? Always choose the answer that's going to correct the issue at the time. You want to address what's happening to your patient.